Hi, Mike here. You're watching Scout Restoration Yukon. In this video, I installed the lift gate on my Scout 800. Then I center it and adjust the travel top so that the gate opens, closes, and latches properly. Finally, I seal the gasket where the top sits on the windshield. This is not a how-to video. It's a how I do video. I hope you like it. Let's get to work. If you want to help, please subscribe to Scout Restoration Yukon. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out. The travel top is installed. I haven't tightened any bolts yet. I want to install this rear lift gate or upper tailgate or rear window or whatever you want to call it before I tighten these bolts. I must install this and make sure it opens and closes properly because there's a slight adjustment here to make, right? So that's the next thing I'm going to do is install this. Before installing the lift gate, I must install these two ratcheting arms that support the gate when it's open. First, I have to tap these holes out. These 1/4-inch fine thread bolts definitely, absolutely need to have never sees on them. These are the kind of bolts that are going to seize, and they're so small they're going to break. So just put a nice little bit of never sees on there. I'll put these. So let's put this on here right now. I have to go like this. So if you could just hold the other end up gently. So okay, I'm gonna have to get in there. So I know it's not easy, but it won't take very long. That's one. I just got one more to do for now. Okay, that one started. So just hold it up. You don't need to get out. Okay, just wait. Just hold it up. Just have a couple more things to do, and you'll be free. Just have to get these ratcheting arms on there. All right. Now that's not tight yet, but that should hold it. Okay, I should tighten those up. So I'm okay now. Thank you very much for the help.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Tighten these first. One. Okay, those two are tight. To install the rest of the upper bolts on the hinge. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5/16 nuts and bolts. So the bolts are in, they're not quite snug, and I'm just checking. I've got this little piece of wood here, using to measure here, and it's almost perfect, but it could go just a little bit this way. So I'm just going to try tapping it in my hand. It doesn't take much. It's pretty darn close at the top. Now let's try closing it. It's latched closed. Here the gap is parallel. Let's see, this one here could actually go in a bit. And this one here should go out a bit. That's pretty good in the top. So tighten up the top. Then I have to adjust the bottom a little bit. 7. 7 of those. Now the top's tight. Look at that again. Lock it. That's straight. This side here needs to go out a little bit. That's no problem. Spray a little silicone a little bit in here, just a little bit. You can definitely see this has to go out. That looks good. Get a tape measure here. 41 1/4. 41 1/4. Good to go. The metal is double in the corners, so I needed a little bit more room. The bolts are short. They're the bolts that were on it. I know I could put longer bolts, but they work. I'm getting a full nut of bolt out of the bottom, because I like to use these original international bolts. Attention, fellow Scout enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. I hope that you're getting useful insights from my videos. If I can earn 1,000 subscribers, I will be able to create Scout videos for a long time. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue this journey for years to come. I will show all the details. Over and out. The next thing I need to do is seal the travel top to the top of the windshield. Right across here where the rubber seal is. I'm using Worth Bond and Seal elastic polyurethane adhesive. But first I must tape it top and bottom, so I can just put a little bead exactly precisely where I want it. Let's get to work. I think it's always a good idea to stop the water from getting in, but I think there also are other places on the Scout where the water will get in, and it's important to make sure it has a way to get back out again. Looking good. I just want to seal around this corner. I drill holes in strategic places to let the water out. Like that. I'll be filling this gap across here too. We don't want this adhesive getting on here because it will interfere with the glue. Glue for the weather stripping. So narrower tape goes right in the groove there. That's a lot better. Inside there. Looking good. We just need to go to here. So if we go from here to here, same thing the other side. I removed the jack stands and lowered the Scout to install the travel top. Before I raise it again, I will install all of the glass. It's important to remove any excess bond and seal immediately. In conclusion, the liftgate opens and closes very well, and the travel top is tightened down and sealed at the front. In my next video, I will restore the front brakes. I will show all the details. I hope you like it. If you want to help, please subscribe to Scout Restoration Yukon. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out.